Just outside of Budapest, in Hungary, is a small village. This village is different to any other I have seen. Welcome to Bokodi Floating Village. This Hungarian village is built on stilts over a lake that never freezes. Why do you think that might be? Well, this village is a fishing village. Even though it gets mightily cold here in Hungary, this lake never freezes over. This power plant uses the lake water to cool down, taking in the cold lake water and putting back warm water. The fishermen get to sit in their fishing spots all year long and do what they do best, catch fish straight from their front door. There are fishing houses for 3 kilometers along this lake, and because of the stilts they are on, it looks like they are floating. Up until 2014, this picturesque village was a treat just for the locals. But an early morning photo of these floating houses was shared worldwide, and photographers have been visiting ever since. It takes a bit of time to get here, so it isn't swarming with tourists yet. I'm sure the locals are very happy about that. This was the best way to finish my adventures here in Hungary. Köszönöm!